Hey there, everybody. How's it going? This is John Matthew, and you're watching CineManiacs 24/7, a channel dedicated to movies, music, physical media, books, video games, and pop culture. This is the kind of stuff we do on the channel. Today, this is the last DVD review for the Disney DVD series, and this is Toy Story 3, the best of the best Disney films, and also one of the best in the entire trilogy, in my opinion. The saddest film, of course. You know the story of this film. This film revolves around Andy, who is a 17-year-old kid now, does not play with his toys, accidentally ends up donating his toys to Sunnyside Daycare, where the toys realize they've made a mistake and they need to go back to their owner before he heads to college. Of course, a very good film. It has many connotations in many ways. It's a grown-up movie for kids and it's a kids movie for grown-ups. It does both the purposes right. Today we're going to review this DVD and talk a lot about this particular film and also give you some important aspects about the movie. DVD, of course. Please subscribe to my channel before we even move forward, and please hit that bell button so that you can get all the notifications each time I pop up with the video. Your love and your support matters a lot to me, and that is the reason why my channel has been growing so much. So please keep doing it. Without any further delays, guys, let's begin. Here we are, guys, with the front of the DVD with the alien face, of course, and the Toy Story 3 logo. Looks absolutely beautiful and so very attractive to me. Not exactly from the cover art perspective, as I tell you always, but just from the nostalgia perspective. Looks very cool, very sweet, and very reminiscent of what Toy Story 3 actually is. And the aliens are, of course, a very great character in the franchise. I love them a lot. That's the reason this cover looks so attractive to me. Here happens to be the rear of the DVD. I'll just show it to you in a brief way. This is the DVD, of course, offered in regions 2 and 5. I'll enlarge it for you people. Hope you can see it right now. This is the, things that they give you with the DVD. These are the film feature and bonus, of course. There are other things available here. There is the entire summary written in the film, of course. The whole summary has been written very nicely. Here how it looks like. The images here, of course. Buzz Lightyear. The other stuff is available here. Looks nice. Very nice. This is the rear of the DVD as well. You know, most of the Indian DVDs and Australian DVDs actually look kind of the same. That's the reason why there's this uncanny resemblance between them, and that to such a huge extent. The resemblance is such a huge extent. Anyway, this is the front and the rear, as I stated. Now let's open the DVD to show you more. This is the DVD here, and of course, Toy Story 3 the disc. It has this very bad design, this thing actually doesn't look so good to me. When I first bought it and opened it, I was pretty dissatisfied looking at the disc anyway. Well, the disc is not exactly bad. I mean, the movie's cool stuff about it is good, but this quality, this entire way the disc looks like, so dark and so dull and pale, it does not just fit and do any justice to the movie anyway. This is how the disc looks like, but the western discs and other discs that are available in other regions, they look much better than this. Anyway, let's move on. So this is the front again and the back. We'll talk about the technical specifications in just a little while. Here the DVD is basically quite reminiscent of the TV movie that I've seen of this particular film. At times it is much more superior than the TV movie that I've seen. Much superior. The picture quality is phenomenal. Of course, you can see the pixels in places because of the fact that this is a DVD 480p quality. You view it on an upscaling player, the smudge, or let's say the disuniformity will completely disappear. The ununiform nature of the image will completely disappear. But most of the time, this is a great DVD. For 90 to 95%, the DVD does very well, and I like the idea that it does so well actually. The DVD menu is something very unique this time. They actually have soldiers coming in and replacing the DVD menu only to give you the screen. There's this Disney DVD montage that starts before the movie begins. That's with each and every DVD movie that I own from Disney. The DVD menu, of course, the special features, the subtitles, the number of languages offered, there are many things inside this. The 4Ks and the Blu-rays, of course, will look much better than this in terms of quality because, higher restorations and stuff like that. But anyway, for those of you who are still believing that affordability can trump picture quality, which is the reason why DVDs still sell so much and they account to over, 50 to 60% of the total physical media market share, DVDs are still the best way to go. If you're looking for a cheap and a very, okayish kind of quality that you can surpass or let's say compensate with a player that upscales your DVD, the upscaling DVD anyway will not be exactly close to a, manufactured Blu-ray, but it'll still get the job done. Anyway, most of the DVD is actually cool. Most of the scenes look fine, the color restorations look absolutely brilliant. When you look at a Blu-ray or a 4K Blu-ray, the only thing that comes to my mind is better colors and better picture. That's the only thing that Blu-rays can offer. But picture quality and better color restoration or color grading comes with more amount of money. That's the reason the DVDs are so cheap. Cheap, very very cheap and very affordable. When I bought this DVD was close to around 5.99 GBP because the conversion rates between pound and Indian rupee was close to around 100 rupees or something, but now it has gone down to 96. That's why I can conservatively estimate somewhere between 4 to 5 pounds. In the US currency, this would cost me close to around you know 6 to 7 to 8 dollars actually, because the dollar value has gone up within the past 2 3 years that I lost saw the DVD in. This DVD mostly does the job well. Of course, the overall cover design of the DVD does not look nice. I mean, not this one, that is the actual disc itself. The aesthetic of the disc does not look good. That's a big drawback there, but otherwise, most of the DVD is more or less a great film. A great film, a great DVD, a great watch. Each time you watch it, watch something new. You question a lot about all the elements that are mentioned in the film, and God, that ending scene is still the most emotional ending of all time. Any Disney movie that I remember, Toy Story 3's ending comes up first. This ending is pretty emotional and pretty much hitting directly to the chords. That's the reason why I like it so much. This was my review of the DVD for Toy Story 3. The links are given down in the description below for buying them. You can buy them and check this movie out on physical media. Please keep watching your movies, keep buying movies on physical media, do all the stuff you like, keep playing your favorite video games, listen to your favorite music, listen to your favorite music videos, and watch them as well. Keep doing your thing, guys. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Till that time, arrivederci, ciao ciao, auf Wiedersehen, take care of yourself, sasrikal, and do whatever you can do. Just enjoy your life, guys. Take care, stay safe, and Godspeed.